Hi, good evening. Uh, I'm Saurav from Logistics Shakti Podcast series, and I'm privileged here to welcome Mr. Praveen from Jindal Steels. Welcome, Mr. Praveen. My question to you is very simple. What do you think about this? The global shift in logistics is being there, and what, in your view, what shift and what change Indian logistics industry should do?
Talking about this current transformation where especially Indian supply chain is in a transition phase, customer is more demanding, and we as a manufacturer, as a supplier, as a sole supplier, I'll say to few of the customers, where we need to be more transparent, more clear regarding our delivery schedules, and that actually need a resilient supply chain when it comes to the disruptions which as of now we are facing throughout the supply chain. Either it is due to the Russia Ukraine war or the current war which is there. So considering all this, customers these days are even more aggressively want to be more clear when they are going to receive the material, what is the status of their current order. So it is not only about the supply chain resilience, it is actually about bringing all the important stakeholders on a single platform from where mm, we as a manufacturing company and our stakeholders uh, uh, through whom we are taking critical services. So that integration of all the service provider on a single platform is compulsory.
So, being into the steel industry, it's a basically heavy bulk movement of logistics. How, what are the challenges you see, and how it can be mitigated or it can be reduced down?
Managing customers, there are different kind of customers. Few customers are the customers to whom we are supplying. We are only the sole suppliers, and there are customers who have other options also. So at a given point of time, I need to take care my sole supply, my a customer to whom I am only the supplier and he is dependent upon me. His supply chain may collapse if there is a problem on my end, or I am not able to supply on time. At the same time, a customer who is taking the material and he has other suppliers, other manufacturers option also available. So we need to do the optimization between those, and either it is a small customer or a big customer. When he has joined hands with us, so we are there to take care for him, to supply him whenever he needs according to the delivery schedules, according to the plans he has given to us, and accordingly we bring on uh, our transporters online, our forwarders online, CHAs online, the shipping line. So it is our responsibility. So we have a uh, uh, agile supply chain which is taking care of the customers of JSL, Jindal Stainless Limited.
Is like it's a very, very heavy steel which is coming into the plant and then it is getting cut. So, what are the challenges you are facing when it comes to the transportation of steel from one place to another place? The bulk transportation is heavy.
The challenge for a steel manufacturer is that when we are going to produce our stainless steel, we need a particular recipe to be adhered to, and that needs scrap, that need alloys, that need uh, a lot of other material like lime, like dolo, like other expensive alloys for some special grades. So the challenge starts from having all that material, that advanced planning to be there, so that we can adhere to the delivery schedules according to the material requirement planning. So we need to be smart enough that we can foresee our next 2 3 months requirements in hand. And with these kind of disruptions through which we are passing through these days, it becomes very critical that how smart you are in selecting your suppliers, how many alternatives you have in hand while selecting your suppliers. So that is on raw material front, and once it is ready to be dispatched, then again it comes to the final dispatch partners, the transporters, the shipping line, the CHAs, forwarders, last mile, small transporters. So all that is there has to be. We have to have smart warehouse management system, efficient management system. Inventory controls has to uh, be smart enough, be efficient enough that there should not be high inventory levels or inventory stuck up at a particular stage. So all these are the challenges where we are trying to be agile enough that so that we can serve our customers in a better way.
So, what do you think? How we can improve the efficiency in this so that the productivity level is met and your customers are delighted?
The risk mitigation plans has to be a bit more proactive. You need to understand the customer requirements. Actually, the now, because of the stainless steel, which is expensive commodity, and nobody wants to keep high inventories these days. So even abroad global supplies, we are in a situation, even we are adhering to have our warehouses in Europe, in Mexico, to serve our global customers in a day or two. In 24 to 48 hours, we are keeping our materials ready at global warehouses, not only in India, so that our customers should not feel any time short of the supplies of the material, and at the same time, we can uh, keep the trust they have shown in us, and we can be a good partner with them as far as their material is concerned.
And you have been attending this summit since morning. So, what are your key takeaways from this summit and how Logistics 3.0 is going to be uh, an advantage for the industry?
Logistics Shakti, I have seen they have shown they have shown tremendous growth, not only in terms of the way they are conducting this event, but the kind of mix they have today on the platform. Either it is steel industry or parcel industry, courier industry, automobile, you name the industry, and they that is there right now participating in that. And I wish best of luck to them in coming days, and we expect a lot that they have made a platform, and this initiative will definitely help all the industry leaders to come forward to and showcase their capabilities, the new ideas, the new way of executing not only the supply chain but also globally. We need to present India that yes, we can lead the supply chain, we can set the example, and definitely world will follow that.
Wonderful, and it was a nice interaction with you. And thanks for joining us on the podcast.
Thanks for giving the opportunity. Best of luck to the logistics team, and see you next year with more to come, with best to come.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.